great players found a hard time winning as a coach, but not Renato Ato Agustin, who has enjoyed success the moment he stepped into the coaching world.
Correct, the man of the hour for the San Miguel Beermen isn't wearing a jersey. There you have him, Ato Agustin, his first day on the job officially as the head coach of San Miguel.
Winning several titles in the amateur ranks. With a storied winning pedigree, Agustin found himself back into the team that drafted him and made him a PBA star during his heydays. No stranger to powerhouse teams, Coach Ato, who was known as the Atom Bomb during his playing days, is off to an explosive start in his coaching career in the PBA.
Exciting win for Coach Ato Agustin, who has been meant first official game as the head coach of the San Miguel Beermen. So that's how you want to start.
Hindi ko talaga pinangarap to. Proud ako na kinuha ko na San Miguel. Former team ko, no, nung naglalaro ko, which doon ako na-expose. Thankful nga ako dahil binigyan nila ako ng opportunity to handle a team like this. All I do is to gel lang sila as a team.
The San Miguel Beermen had a 1-win and 1-loss card when he officially assumed the head coaching post. Since then, the Beermen have racked up 5 straight wins to get the solo lead in the current 2010-2011 Philippine Cup.
I would say he's a player's coach. Relaxed. There you go. Best word to describe him. Madami ko matututunan sa kanya.
I think he sets the mood for the team. And like I said, I've had coaches in the past where style of coaching is getting players' faces. That's the way they motivate, you know, and there's nothing wrong with that. For me personally, I just respond better to a coach that's willing to just pull me aside and tell me what I did wrong rather than try and yell at me in front of everyone. It just talked to me more like a man.
The style works for him. He gives us responsibilities. Yung team namin, nagre-respond really well sa kanya. So it's good. It's good. We like it as a team.
As a player, no, advantage or naging maganda yung showing namin ngayon is alam ko kasi yung feeling ng isang player. Kailangan lang talaga na yung respeto. And yun ang unang inadapt ko sa kanila na we have to respect each other pagdating sa court. Outside the court, friends tayo, barkada tayo.
He was once a member, too, of a powerhouse San Miguel squad in the early 90s when he shared the same floor with fellow PBA greats Hector the Director Calma, Samboy the Skywalker Lim, Alan the Triggerman Kaitik, and Ramon El Presidente Fernandez under Grand Slam coach Norman Black.
Yeah, nung San Miguel ako, second round draft pick ako. Star-studded yung lineup ng San Miguel. Sinuwerte lang may pagkakataon ako nakalaro ng matagal and I grab it.
Perhaps winning and losing together with these PBA greats and learning under a PBA Hall of Famer coach may have helped him become into what he is today.
Ato Agustin, sinabitan ni Portswigo, 3-point play in the offing.
Today, he no longer has the legs to run and detonate his long-range bombs on the court, but the Beermen are still busy winning, with Agustin instructing the Beermen where to drop those atom bombs with precision. Who knows, today's Beermen might also enjoy similar success they had during his prime.
We have to grab this opportunity, no, na kailangan na i-maintain namin tong winning streak namin. And siyempre lahat mahirap talaga yung puro panalo, no? So kailangan lang talaga how to talk to them and to motivate them. Ako rin nabibigla rin ako dahil sa nangyari sa akin ngayon, dumating sa akin ngayon. So another challenge kasi another level, kailangan mag-focus na talaga rito sa binigay sa akin na opportunity ng San Miguel.